subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
But you would like to hear this song going for drives and all. It's a very soothing song.
Happy in life, I love listening to sad songs. So no matter how good the life is, I love listening to sad music.
I was like, okay, Meghna will do it. And at the end point, when that scene had to be shot the next day, and I'm like, oh bro, wait.
Meghna can't swim.
Meghna to can't swim. And then we were like, oh no. And we have to sit and like change the entire story. And we were like, oh. So me and Krish have dated for 4 years and we are really good friends now. Just because I know you, I won't just do a song like that. It's about my career and all of that. So I was very skeptical. And
joining me for a conversation today are two beautiful ladies who you must have seen on every poster. Her Instagram account पे ये poster है. It is Jiyun Kaise's poster and the song is coming out on Born Bros label on the 15th of July, and I'm talking about Meghna and Shivani. You guys, welcome to India Forums. It's amazing talking to you guys, and before we begin any further, I want to know, because there's a trio and Krish has told me that this is not going to be a love story. So I'm now really excited to know that what is it going to be if it's not a triangle situation.
You have to watch the music video for that. I mean, I know it's a little confusing for people to see, oh, this guy is with like 2 girls.
Yeah, it looks like he's cheating on the other girl.
Yes.
But watch
You
the
have
video
to
to see what actually happens.
So audience, I tried to ask them for an insight, but clearly हमें music video किधर देखना पड़ेगा to find out what is going to happen. But okay, now you know, like when we see a poster which has 2 girls, we usually tend to you know, like have this notion, अच्छा how was it, मतलब you know, set पे तो ऐसे होता होगा कि भाई both of them are like giving each other tough looks that I'm better than you and all. But I saw a video of you two doing some makeup challenge which was hilarious, and I was like, you know, यहाँ पे तो कुछ अलग ही हुआ होगा. So I want to know how was it on set and you know, shooting with each other.
So basically, we all, me, Krish and Meghna have been friends since 4 to 5 years.
now.
We are best friends. Me and Krish have been best friends.
Like they I don't know, you can dated before.
Yeah, so me and Krish have dated for 4 years and we are really good friends now. So we did the music video together, and I was the one who asked Meghna, because I was like, she'll fit the part perfectly of a bubbly, cute girl. And I was like, Meghna has to be there, Meghna has to be there. So I was really excited that we all will get to work together. So that is how it happened. So there was no bad blood, nothing. We actually had a lot of fun while shooting.
Yeah, we were all helping each other like for
Yeah.
the scenes and everything.
Right.
And I was like, it was fun. Like it wasn't like koi ego or anything, because we have been best friends more than Krish. I've known Shivani, so
So was he like sidelined कि भाई मतलब you do your thing, we are having a class?
हम अपना ही scene था, हम लोग ज़्यादा close.
In reality, we both don't want Krish. We are together. We are like, no guys needed.
So this is like a perfect setup because we have the both of you, and you know, like he's sidelined here as well. But all of that, keeping that aside, tell me, what was your first reaction when you heard the song? Because I'm sure, you know, like you must have heard the song before, like saying a yes or anything like that. So because you must have heard it, and I'm very excited to know that what was your reaction like.
Well, so basically, I was with Krish when he had this meeting, and he was like, Shivani would be perfect for this part. And we have been through the start, like the storyline and the script, and what should we do with the story, and whom should we like, you know, meet and all of that. I met the singer, and he sang the song for me the first time. So that is how I heard the song. And first I was very skeptical, because I was like, you know, just because I know you, I won't just do a song like that. It's about my career and all of that. So I was very skeptical, and I was like, I don't know kaisa hoga and all of that. But so he called the singer home, he called the director, he called the producer. Like we all know each other, like from this, like I met them and I heard the song and I was like, okay, this song I'm going to do because I really love this song. It's actually one of those very filmy, very soothing songs, and I think during this rainy season, I think everybody would like to hear this song going for drives and all. It's a very soothing song. So they were like, we need one more girl for it, and they were like, she needs to be bubbly and she has to be cute. She has to be a little younger looking and all of that. And in my head, I was like, Meghna. So I was like, Meghna, I have to meet you. And we met at Jam and Jar, and I made her hear the music for the first time. And also, and then she was like, no questions asked. Even I want to be in the video.
Yeah.
So
And I'm a kind of person who likes, so even if I'm happy in life, I love listening to sad songs. So no matter how good the life is, I love listening to sad music. I was like, sad music, and this is my first video. So I was like, what else? So like, let's just do it. So that's how I was like, yeah. And because it was with Shivani, and I was like, because I know her, and it's gonna be easier.
So this was supposed to be my first music video, but we shot it before I did Asal Mein. So this was supposed to be mine and her, both of our first music video, but this got delayed a little bit because of the lockdown and all.
True.
So this is my second video, but this is the first music video that I shot for.
Wow. So, like, because both of you all come from an influencing background and you already have a huge following who looks up to you, and whatever you do is something which they really look forward to. Was it like a like a decision to make as per se ki this is what I'm going to do? Because I'm sure you must have gotten like a lot of offers otherwise also from different places. So what was it to take the decision of the first thing that goes out from your side?
I feel that the most important thing, if you want to, like, if you get offered a project or something, is everything else comes later. First the song comes, like, because the product is more important than anything else. Like, at least you should have the confidence in your product that you're going to make. And when you hear the song, there is no two-way about it. I don't think anybody would be like, oh, should I do this? Should I not? Because the song is
very
actually
catchy.
Really beautiful.
Yeah.
And
It's like once, like when I heard it for the first time, I was singing it the next moment. Like once the songs are so catchy, it
stays in your head. Yeah. So I was like, this people love, and I thought it's a really great opportunity to work with my best friends. I mean, who gets that?
Right. And what was your, like audience ka, all the followers ka sort of reaction when you put out the first poster saying?
And they were really confused.
No, that was there, but people are like, because they never thought that I would be acting, and I've never done like I've said that I'm going to act or anything. They were like, oh my god, finally we get to see you in the music video. So I'm like,
music videos have been like just an ongoing trend for a while now, and we see like every day there's another music video releasing, and there are just too many music videos. What do you think is the USP that you guys are going to have through this song specifically?
I think people are going through heartbreaks and a lot of emotions in this lockdown, so they might just relate to it because I relate to it, she relates to it, and Krish relates to it. So I'm like, it's a kind of song that the teenage crowd, like people our age, will relate to.
Not just our age, I think everybody would like it. Yeah. Also, the song short, it's very cinematic. It's not like it has a story. Unlike most of the music videos, it has a very it's not like a very typical story. It's a very, like, till the end you'll be like, why is he with two girls? Why is he with two girls? How is he with two girls? And like, you will have to watch to know. So there's like, it's a little different. It's like a story in a song. It's like a movie in a song. Like,
it's like a short film.
Yeah, it's like a short film.
Right, because I've seen the BTS and I know, like there's a night setting, like a date night pool and all of that. And then there is also like the outskirts and the car and all of that. Tell me the shooting process, because Krish told me that 2 days that, you all had to like delay the shoot because there were rains and all of that. So tell me a little bit about the ups and downs that went.
Rain and everything. There was a scene actually where, like, so I was technically, I don't know, I was supposed to die in the video while apart. No? Shut up. Okay, there was a scene supposed to do, and I'm like, oh, I can't do it. So we had to change the script because I couldn't do
Yeah,
something.
so basically there was this scene where we all wrote, we were all a part of making of the story, okay? So everybody was like, yeah, so the other girl needs a scene in the pool, and like it's a very necessary scene and all. And I was like, okay, Meghna will do it. And at the end point, when that scene had to be shot the next day, and I'm like, oh bro, wait,
Meghna can't swim.
Meghna to can't swim. And then we were like, oh no, and we have to sit and like change the entire story. And we were like, oh god, we have to like take out that scene completely. So I
To
think
change the
that's what delayed the
Shoot.
Yeah.
Right. Now, like with all these little secrets that are coming out, I'm just like even more curious, and I'm sure the people who are watching this interview and have watched Krish's interview are going to just be like, "Ki, when is the song coming out and what is it going to be like?" But tell me, like, once you are done shooting the song, uske baad, Born Bros came on board, and they sort of made the song happen. For it to get a release. Were you guys in the middle a little skeptical ki is it going to release? When is it going to release? Like you said, Shivani, that you shot and it was sort of delayed.
Actually, yes. Obviously, we kept in touch with the team because obviously we understood that there's a lockdown going on.
True.
Work has like we were pretty patient. We were pretty patient because we shot for it months back.
Literally months
Right?
back.
Months back we shot it.
Jan, I think.
December Jan.
December Jan we
December
shot.
Jan we shot it. And then the lockdown, so we were very patient and we were waiting. They were telling us this, they were updating us about everything. They're like, we are talking to this production and that and everything. But of course, we had that trust that they will obviously, we all have put in so much efforts in it. We were there during the story, we were there when we were selecting the song, we were there in all the meetings. It's not just like, in basic music videos, it's like you select actors and they just do their shoot and they leave. It wasn't like that. We have been involved with the song from the start, selecting the song, making the story.
So I think everyone was everyone.
Casting the people. So it's like we have been a part of the entire the production, every scene, makeup, hair,
outfits and everything.
Outfits. We were there for everything. So it's different like that. It's a little more close to us, and we are more.
Yeah, more than a project, it's like a big deal for us.
Yeah. So we have been a part of it completely. So we were patient about it. We knew it will release and all, and I think it's a great thing that it's releasing right now because people will get to see nice scenery and a nice story, and I think people will like the song because everybody's just sitting inside, and it's nice that new content is coming out like that. So it's a good thing, I guess.
Of course. Meghna, if I were to ask you, with this song, and also Shivani, you. All the looks and all that you said, you put a lot of thought into it. Of course, because, like audience will be expecting ki, your audience specifically, the people who follow you on Instagram will be like, Arey, I'm looking forward to the looks that they are having in the song. What was it like, the process, and did you like have fittings, and like were the both of you only like going through multiple outfits to get shortlisted?
So basically, the look that I have in the video is not like me. Like I'm very bubbly and chubby, and I'm wearing all full sleeve turtle leg and all of that. And that's not me. Like I don't wear so many clothes. And I was like, I love Shivani's outfits. I was like, I want her outfits. Why can't? And they're like, ये तेरा look ही नहीं है.
So my outfits were my outfits. And because I was a part of it, I was like, I want my character to have long curls and like long hair, and I was after having long hair and being very feminine and all of that. I was like, if I'm getting to do what I want in this music video, because they asked me, so I was like, I went all out. I was like, I want to look like this.
Yeah, I want to wear a gown. And
she
gets to get a gown, and I'm wearing shorts. I'm wearing denim jeans and all that. I'm like, what is this?
So I think my character is very, very
you.
Yeah, it's very, very me.
I think her character is also me, and I'm like, I was like, if I would love to do her part also, but then again, the storyline had me for me, so I think that worked out really well. And I was like, this is not me. And I get to do something that I'm not, which is also great. Because I'm always doing my thing. So I think it's something different and people will be excited. I'm really excited about it. So
Acha, if I have to ask you, like that one thing without which you will be like, jiyu kaise without this? Fill in the blanks.
internet.
I was like phone, but yeah, like internet.
Like, what will you do with
Phone
the phone if
ke
you don't
saath
have
kya
internet?
karenge?
Exactly what I meant.
Right, but is that, and if I've, because like you are into makeup and all of that, so if one makeup product, like only one, I know it's very hard, but only one makeup product.
No, it's easy for me.
No, because I don't apply a lot of makeup. So if I have to only use one makeup product, it'll be lipstick because I can apply lipstick everywhere
Haan.
and just
I think it would be my tint, my
Yeah,
lip
lip
tint.
tint.
Because it also works like lipstick, but it
yeah,
gives
but it's
that
like
glow.
eyeshadow.
You can literally use
blush.
it everywhere, and no one can tell that it's makeup. Like if I wear my lip tint on my lips and cheeks and everybody, someone's like,
It'll
"तूने
be
makeup किया है?"
natural.
I was like, "Are you crazy? There is no makeup. See, there is no makeup because it doesn't come out." So I think that product I want.
Amazing. Krish said that he cannot live without food. So if I have to ask you one food item,
Yeah, ask about Krish, we would say the same.
Yeah.
and what is that one food item which you can't live without?
I think, wow. I'm thinking about so many food items.
Yeah, for you, I think you use.
I think
you can't-
aloo paratha.
Yeah, and I think she can't eat food without thumbs up. Like she has to have thumbs up while she's eating food, or her food doesn't go down her throat.
Even
Yeah,
with
I
the
feel-
Indian food?
So with
Like-
what?
Even with Indian food, do you like to have Coke?
Indian.
Okay, amazing. But like, thank you so much, guys, for doing this. Lastly, a message to all the audience that like your fans plus the others who are going to watch the song. What is it going to be?
Please watch it and give it all your love.
Thank you so much for doing this. And
Thank you so much. It was so nice to
Yeah,
virtually
you're so
meet you.
take care.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.